With harvest over, primary cultivations have begun. For John, this means ploughing, with the 1594 pulling a 5-furrow Dowdeswell DP8B. This is the lightest field on the farm, with gravelly areas, and the 1594 is getting along at a rapid 6 km per hour, working in 7th gear. The 1594 was a popular tractor for Case, with well over 5,000 made. At the time, lightweight 6-cylinder tractors of around 100 horsepower represented a very important market segment for manufacturers. The DP8B was available with a furrow width of 14 inches, like this one, or 12 inches. It's fitted with UCN mould boards, which leave a nice even finish.